It's the Sunshine here. We're getting into a soft glam tutorial, and we're only using 2 eyeshadows. So the first one we are going to use is Dusty Rose. Put it in that outer corner, upper crease sort of area, blending it and creating somewhat of a wing. And we want to do that to both sides of the eyelids and then get right back into that Dusty Rose shadow and build it and define it and make it more pronounced. We're going to use more blending circular motions to add the Dusty Rose on both sides. Check to make sure that you're adding somewhat equal amounts of eyeshadow to each eye. And when you feel good, then let's move on to the next step. So now taking a fluffy blending brush, we're going into that color Rose Pink. It's a shimmer shade, placing it on the center of the eyelid. And now we're going to just gently take that blending brush and blend it all over pretty much the mobile eyelid, and continue to add rose pink as much as you desire till you feel like your eyelids are glistening and shimmering beautifulness. Now we're going to get into the cleanup of the fallout that has occurred. So go ahead and do that, and once you feel that it has been cleaned up somewhat successfully, then we will get into the Dusty Rose shade one more time and place that on the lower lash line. Don't worry about how far down you go, just make sure you blend it upward because we're going to get miraculous with makeup and our concealer will basically clean it up. So now you can either add fake lashes or just mascara, natural or extra. I want to be more extra today, so I have the lashes like most days and some lip. There you go. That's pretty much the tutorial. If you did like the tutorial, it was just a really simple, quick one, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.